The question is this. To viewers, I would say this, that viewers, I don't find anything cultural when people say, Afzal, tum hamare armano ko manzil tak pahunchayenge. Which means, Afzal, you are fighting for us by attacking the parliament. Second, it is nothing cultural when a group of people go and say, India go back, Bharat ki barbadi tak jang rahegi. Which means, we will keep fighting a battle till we destroy India. You people carry the Indian passport. You are on an Indian campus. You are the beneficiaries of a subsidized Indian government education. Your education is paid for by the Indian taxpayer.
I think Arnav,
you misuse your freedom of expression, and then you say that this is cultural. What is cultural about this?
Yes,
Tell me.
you have lost sanity. Congratulations.
That male brain and female brain are different.
Just 1 minute, please. I'm making a list, Rahul Ishwar. Please just wait a while. I'm very busy. I'm making a list.
Why
I'll tell you the list. I'll tell you the list. Viewers, can I? Mrinalini Deshmukh, just note this. Blooper number 1 from Rahul Ishwar. These are the famous Rahul Ishwar comments. Trisha, you may note this, please. First, why do women need to go to temple at all? Sit at your home and pray. Right? Second is, you need protection.
Yeah.
This is a great comment from Pandit. He wants to protect everyone. This gentleman wants to protect all women.
Third is, will women fight in the Indian men's cricket team?
Then the third point is, Trisha, fight against discrimination by women is nothing but drama. The fourth, I would say great statement from Rahul Ishwar is, there must be gender diversity.
No, fifth, will women fight in the Indian men's cricket team?
Gender differentiation is the truth. We are gender
I don't understand where these men come
and female brain are different.
Where are they coming from? Where do guys come from? What do they want?
I am quoting psychology. I am quoting neuroscience.
The next great comment from Rahul Ishwar
from Luan Brizendine, who is a neuropsychologist. Male brain and female brain are different. What can I do?
Rahul Ishwar, you should pay this neuropsychologist a visit.
God's creation. Male brain is different from female brain.
Brain? No, that. There are
the whole blank slate theory of God is outdated. The left
Rahul, get over it.
The man has a great respect for
Rahul, get over it.
You can keep on laughing because you don't have an argument. This is the same thing. This is female chauvinism. When you are left without an argument, you can keep on laughing because you don't have any argument left. I am talking science, not the stupid leftist ideology. This leftist ideology has destroyed the world. We are moving into an era of science where science accepts there is a male brain and a female brain. They have inherent differences. Don't go to Google and check it. At least be updated and not stuck up with an ideology which is 100 years old.
But do you know conditioning, nurturing, education also plays a role?
I'll tell you
in the firing of the brain. I know a lot about that subject. Don't get me started.
Separatists today, you say, are you for engagement with the Pakistanis even now? Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, RSN Singh is on the debate.
जब गुरदासपुर होता है, जब उरी होता है और जब और सारे घटनाएं होती है, ये टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आपका मालिक अमन की आशा क्यों करता है देश में?
आपको मैं फाइनली एक बार कह रहा हूं, हेलो अतुल कुमार अंजान, अतुल कुमार अंजान, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात, अतुल कुमार अंजान, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात। आप कितने सालों से टाइम्स नाउ देख रहे हैं?
कब तक चलेगी?
आप कितने सालों से टाइम्स नाउ देख रहे हैं?
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया कितना बोलेगा? नहीं, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया कुछ बोलेगा।
ये टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया है कि टाइम्स नाउ है?
कब बोलेगा?
आप टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को पूछिए।
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया क्यों देश की उल्टी भाषा बोलता है?
अच्छा ठीक, आप टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को पूछिए, मैं उससे अग्री नहीं करता। मैं कह रहा हूं आपको, आई एम टेलिंग यू ओपनली, आई डोंट अग्री विद द अमन की आशा बिजनेस, सिंपल, आई हैव सेड सो ऑल द टाइम। नाउ यू आंसर माय क्वेश्चन।
ये लाला का व्यापार कब बंद होगा?
मिस्टर अतुल कुमार अंजान, अपने आप को कंट्रोल और कंपोज कीजिए।
दूसरों से सवाल
अतुल कुमार अंजान,
मैं आपसे पूछता हूं,
आपको सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूं एक सवाल।
मिस्टर अतुल, कब बंद होगा?
मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं ना, आपको सीधा जवाब दे रहा हूं, आप रिलैक्स कीजिए, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स।
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया समथिंग इज
मिस्टर अतुल कुमार अंजान, now you keep, now be quiet and let me listen to you.
Now makes many statements. I have spoken on behalf of my party that my party is behind. Right now, all political party has expressed their consensus. After this surgical strike, let us unite, all build up the unity of the country.
I want to tell you today, and now you be quiet. I want to tell you today that today there are some people who in India are political leaders.
Are you a president of India? Just you want to tell? No, not you. I am a political leader.
He doesn't. Simple question. Sabha is laughing tonight. The simple question I asked Atul Kumar Anjan. Viewers, remember, I asked Atul Kumar Anjan a simple question today. Do you believe, Atul Kumar Anjan, that there should be talks with Pakistan even today? Because till last week when Indian soldiers were dying, you said talk to Pakistan. Till recently, Atul Kumar Anjan, after the Burhan Wani protest, you were in the forefront saying talk to Pakistan. You said when Indian soldiers, BSF soldiers, CRPF soldiers were being attacked by the Pakistani terrorists, you, Atul Kumar Anjan, said reduce the powers of the Indian army. Did you say that or not? Did you say that or not, Atul Kumar Anjan? So today I want you to have the honesty to say that you were wrong. That you were wrong. That you compromised the Indian army. And you can be the heroes of the Pakistani media, Atul Kumar Anjan, but look at you here today. I'd like to get RSN Singh into the debate tonight. This is absolutely incredible. Congratulations. You will be the hero of the Pakistani media today, Atul Kumar Anjan. You'll be the hero of the Pakistani media. RSN Singh.
I am not Pakistan.
RSN Singh, I thought I'd get Maroof also in.
You want
RSN, relax.
Sensex has gone down.
Atul Anjan, your blood pressure will go up. You calm down.
Why Times of India?
Your blood pressure will... I am telling you on record, I have never agreed with the Aman Ki Asha business. This is Newshour and Times Now. I have never agreed with the Aman Ki Asha business.
I respect him a great deal. So let me have some kind of shero shairi that Sidhu himself had offered in Comedy Circus. I have one for the situation today,
but
and I repeat from Sidhu's own words.
What are you trying
No.
You're competing
Sidhu
with Sidhu
would have answered everything in shero shairi, so everything should go in a shero shairi pattern.
No, what is that? Those are Sidhu. You are giving patraisms on the program. If Sidhu gives Sidhu, you are giving patraisms.
No, we should have that. We should have that
because you think
that would make the situation clearer. That would make the situation clearer.
No, please go on.
कोई मुश्किलों से देखकर ढेर, कोई मुश्किलों को देखकर ढेर हो जाता है, कोई खुशियों को देख के शेर हो जाता है, जो खुशियों और मुश्किलों को कर ले अपने मुट्ठी में बंद, गुरु वो शमशेर हो जाता है. So I would say these are the exact words of Sidhu.
Ajay, what is this? If anyone understands what Sambit is trying to do.
This is if he had some problem. If he had some problem, then
I can understand.
He should have become a sayer. He should have faced it, and he should have become a real Shamsher, as per the words of Sidhu himself.
No, I don't know. What's going on here? What is Sambit trying to do?
I can understand Sambit's problem.
Yeah.
No, I can understand Sambit's problem. He's not able to criticize also because as he himself said that Sidhu has not said anything personally, but his wife has said very things clearly that resigning from Rajya Sabha means going from Rajya Sabha. But he shouldn't be surprised, you see. These things keep on happening in politics. I mean, Sambit knows it much better than me. Remember Hemant Biswa Sarma? The same Sidhu did to you, what you did to the Congress in Assam. So what's new?
Do you remember Lalu Prasad Yadav?
What is happening, Sambit, that we are having an alliance?
The main man who coined the term Jungle Raj.
So these things happen in politics. Why are you taking it so seriously? Why are you taking so seriously now? Now, your leader used to say Congress Mukt Bharat.
You are the one who are trying to make it serious.
You just listen to me. Listen to me. I'm just no. I'm making it a very lighter note here. Come on.
Raghav, too much drama. Too much drama. मोदी जी आपका प्रॉब्लम मेरे से है, मेरे को मारो, मेरे को काटो, मेरे को ये करो, मेरे को वो करो, मेरे को ये करो, मोदी, you know, too much drama. Is that a little bit, you know, it's a little over the top now, you know, this. It's almost like acting, Raghav. And too much acting.
I will respond.
Too much, you don't take a single question, but you indulge in a lot of acting. How will it go down?
To take all the questions.
Arvind didn't take a single question. Yes. But this last clip you saw, Modi ji, mere ko maro, mere ko kato, mere ko lock karo, mere ko ye karo, wo karo. Right? Debate is open tonight.
I will respond.
Debate is open.
I will respond.
Debate is open. Hashtag aapke interns, the debate is open.
The problem is that Mr. Modi is obsessed with Arvind Kejriwal. He thinks of Arvind Kejriwal when he sleeps. He thinks of Arvind Kejriwal when he wakes up. He is trying to paralyze governance in Delhi at multiple levels. He has made the Delhi Legislative Assembly ineffective. More than 23 bills have been passed by us. Not even a single bill has been accepted or given assent to by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Number two, every day a police case is filed against one of our Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, bogus, frivolous cases which have been completely denounced and have been said in the court of law, pronounced by the judges that these are just political cases and political issues better be solved outside court. B, he is trying to paralyze governance in Delhi. Every day the Prime Minister's office calls our bureaucrats and says do not cooperate with the ministers of Aam Aadmi Party, because if you do, fake cases will be filed against you and small acts of indiscretion will be portrayed as corruption and we will put you behind bars. Every single day we are facing this. Every bureaucratic or administrative decision taken by Arvind Kejriwal's government is declared null and void within minutes by Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. He has essentially not been able to digest the crushing defeat that was handed out to him in the month of February 2015, and therefore he is now trying every trick in the book to destabilize governance in Delhi. Now, the mantra that he applied in Uttarakhand and in Arunachal to destabilize governance and democratically elected governments, he is doing the similar thing in Delhi. He is now trying to ensure that a situation is created, on a false premise. A case of office of profit is created so that 21 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are disqualified from the membership.
What VVIP treatment are you talking about? Are these students, don't they have a right to their own security as young citizens? I mean,
no, don't they have an obligation? Don't they have an obligation to cooperate with the law? Don't they have an obligation to cooperate with the law?
Or no, to which law? Delhi police, we saw what a mockery they made of themselves when Kanhaiya was produced in court. You saw
okay,
it
so
yourself.
students booked for celebrating the life of a terrorist, instead of handing themselves to the authorities, should dictate terms to the police about how their arrest should be carried out. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Not to be believed.
Now you have to set dictate terms. No, you have to now. So therefore, students booked. Students booked for making a martyr out of Afzal Guru now seek to take advantage of the fact. They are taking advantage of the fact that the Delhi police. They are taking advantage of the fact that the Delhi police is not willing to enter the JNU campus. They know that a showdown on campus will make them look martyrs. They are being opportunistic. This is opportunism, and the whole country is seen through it. I don't know where this is beginning and where this is ending.